Hi guys, today I'm producing LG Q70 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So just to use the Wi-Fi on your phone, you should first open the settings app and then tap to network and internet section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, you should click on the switcher once, and after that you'll see here the list with all of the available networks. Just let's select one from this network. Here we should enter the password. To see the password, we should click here to this checkbox. If you wanna also show the advanced options, you should click to the second checkbox. So I'll enter it out of screen. Okay, so now let's just stop to connect. Wait a second and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. You can use more networks here, just enter the password, tap to connect, and after that just switch between these networks here. So also we get one more way how we can activate the Wi-Fi. First you should open notification panel shortcuts. After that, somewhere here you should find the Wi-Fi icon. Just to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click on this icon. To launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while the icon, and now we can see here the same networks. Just to use them, select the network, enter the password and connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.